Sometimes life and business is about challenging the status quo. Often we don't challenge the status quo of how we've always done things because we're fearful of what happens if it doesn't turn out right. But sometimes the risk lies in not doing something differently, doing the same thing and eventually just chewing up more and more of your time, when investing a little bit of time at the front end could actually save you a lot of time. So what is it that you're doing that you've always done that way and you're a bit hesitant to upset the status quo, but potentially if you do upset it, you might find it turbocharges your productivity?